Hey, what's up, everybody? It's the one, the only, the Ryan George, and today I will be showing you how to make your own a 1.9.2 CraftBukkit slash Spigot server. I think this channel is gonna be more around plugin tutorials and all that stuff. So I'm gonna be showing you how to make your server, your CraftBukkit slash Spigot server right now on 1.9.2. If there's new versions of plugin server things, this is compatible with that. And if there's later versions like 1.9.5 or let's say 1.10 even, you can always use those I'll tell you how to do that. So first you want to go to getspigot.org, where you can find the versions of CraftBukkit and Spigot. So if you scroll down all the way, CraftBukkit goes all the way down to 1.1, and the latest version is 1.9.2. I'm going to be using Spigot, so I'm going to download Spigot 1.9.2, and I'm going to drag it onto my desktop because that's going to be the easiest for you guys. So now that we have Spigot 1.9.2, we're going to create a new folder. Let's call it server YT, but you can call it whatever you want to. We're going to drag it in and open up the folder. Sorry if you guys can't read it, but you know that's Spigot-1.9.2. Maybe I'll put it on screen or something, probably not, but you know. So now you want to actually, that's not what I wanted to do whatsoever. Let's press the Window key and R, and then to open up Run, and then we'll put in Notepad and open this up. So now in the description, I'm going to be showing there's going to be text on how many gigabytes of RAM you want to put into the server. If you have a 64-bit computer, you will be able to have anything above 1 gigabyte or whatever. But if you have a 32-bit computer, well, you can only have 1 gigabyte of RAM. So to figure out if you have a 64-bit or a 32-bit computer, press the Windows key. No, not the Windows key. Yes, the Windows key, and the pause break key is literally right above your little arrow keys. Pause break key, and it will open up the system window. So you see right here, you probably can't, but it's a 64-bit operating system. If it says 32-bit or maybe even 86-bit, that's a 32-bit computer, which means you can only dedicate 1 gigabyte of RAM. But if you have a 64-bit computer, you can have anything from 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. That's going to be in the description, but I'm going to put in 1. So you might be saying like, hey, why is this called name? Because you need to put the name of the jar that is in this folder. So let's put in Spigot 1.9.2, which is the name of the jar. And make sure I'm not sure if it's case sensitive, but hopefully you want to keep it how it is in the jar. Yeah, so this is what I'm talking about when it can be compatible with later and earlier versions, because you can call it a CraftBukkit 1.9.2 or anything like that. So now we're going to do File, Save As, find your folder, do all files, and we will call it run.bat. So this will save as a bat file. So now we're going to run our run.bat and wait for this to load, and you see it's 1 gigabyte of RAM, and oh no, yeah, let's wait for this. I accidentally put in the 1 gigabyte part, but at the top, you don't have to put that in, by the way. You can just put in the Java dash whatever. I accidentally put that in, but it will still work. We're gonna open up the eula.txt. Guys, read this file to make sure you're agreed by the EULA, because Mojang is actually working on blacklisting servers that actually are going against the EULA now. So you guys want to be really careful now, because some of the big servers are being attacked right now, and you don't want your small server maybe being attacked by Mojang because you did not follow the EULA. So now we're going to change false to true. Save that, and let's close out and run our run.bat. So like I said, guys, I am not showing you how to port forward. This is just simply on how to make a server on your own special little network you have at home, or you're on the go or whatever, and this is how you can do it. So you see all of this stuff is loading in, which is really nice. So I'm gonna put this down here, and now boot up your Minecrafts, and that is equal to the version. So since I'm running Spigot 1.9.2, I'm gonna be running Minecraft 1.9.2. And guys, I will be right back once all of this is done. Alright guys, now we're back, and you see right here it says done. So yep, now that it says done, we're gonna go to multiplayers. Up. I'm not sure if you can see this. Ah, there we go. I'm gonna keep this little window here. And it's now you won't have this popping up localhost like a server. So you want to go to direct connect, put in all lowercase localhost, and then click on join server since you haven't set a custom IP to it. Okay guys, now the server is simply loaded, which is really nice. There's a little bit of lag for me right now. It's because I haven't like loaded in any chunks on the server yet. That's why. And now let's bring this open a little bit. Now you want to put an OP space your username in the console or the CMD or whatever you want to do. So mine is the Ronnie George. So this will allow you to be an admin on your server, and I did not type in the Ronnie George correctly. Alright, let's see. Is this gonna load? Alright, and now you will know when you're opt because it will actually say that the server opt your name. So now, to know if you actually have been opt and if this is CraftBukkit /Spigot, do /plugins, so you know that this is compatible with plugins. So you can do all of the game mode ones, and you can put in all of your favorite plugins to this beautifulness. And now, in the next video, I will be showing you how to port forward your Minecraft server so your friends can join. Alright guys, if you did like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And subscribe to get... please remember to comment, like, and subscribe to get notified whenever I record a video. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace!